Hi, my name's Craig from Axminster Tools and Machinery, and welcome to our video on our new AT254 Trade Series Table Saw Workstation. So the AT254TS Table Saw stroke Workstation. Now the workstation bit we'll get to in a minute when I start talking about some of the really exciting accessories for this machine. But what we've got is a very substantial heavy cast iron tabletop. Even the extension table on the right here is cast iron. The trunnions, the guts of the machine inside are kind of over-engineered, more solid than I've seen on most table saws, to be honest. Two heavy quadrants, completely independently supported underneath. Even cast iron hand wheels to adjust your rise and fall. The all-important rip fence is a T-style fence, completely adjustable, locking very solidly here through this, again, cast iron lock lever. Supplied as standard is a rear takeoff table. We've got a 3 horsepower, 2.2 kilowatt motor driving a 10-inch or 254mm blade, giving you a 70mm maximum depth of cut. So the machine comes with a heavy-duty mitre fence. Either side of the blade, we've got the mitre fence slots. Machine runs off a standard blue 16 amp supply. An access for blade change is nice and easy through the quick release table insert on the top. And access for maintenance is also very good around the side of the machine here. So let's go and have a look. A nice big hinged door to access the underside of the machine for cleaning and maintenance. Okay, so another really cool thing about this table saw is what we've done to utilize the right-hand extension. Now it's a good extension, so if you're doing any large panel work, you know, you've got good support, but quite often it's not being used. And if you're like me in your home workshop, every square inch is precious. Well, what this does, it turns your right-hand extension into a router table, freeing up the space that a router table would ordinarily take up. Now, supplied as standard is the UJK table insert, black phenolic hard kind of plastic table insert, which of course will take any router. And then if you really want to do the router table thing, an available accessory is the UJK router fence. Completely adjustable, fully guarded, integral extraction, nice heavy aluminium locking handles, real space saver. Okay, so another accessory is the sliding table, the sliding carriage, which bolts to the left-hand side of the machine. So if you find yourself doing a lot of fairly sizable panel work, you've got a good spread on the tabletop to give you support, but you've also got a sliding carriage that will give you 4 foot or 12/20 in front of the blade. So great for panel work, but also great for cross-cutting those grooves and rebates using the dado. Now this comes supplied with an extra panel here to give you a bit more stability and width, and also the UJK angled mitre fence, complete with 2 handles and flip stop. So as you can see, a vast amount of accessories, but there's one more, last but not least, and this for me is the super exciting bit. What we've got now is a table saw with a long enough shaft, enough power and correct and adequate guarding to be able to offer you a dado set. So there we have it, a dado set which will give you a maximum cutting groove of 18mm, and you can see we have a left hand and right hand circular saw blade, and then the width of that 18mm will be made up by a series of chippers, which are 4-tip TCT chippers, all sliding on that 30mm arbor. So as said, what we've got, and we must have, absolutely critical when using a dado set, is correct and adequate guarding. And what we've got with this overhead guard is a very substantial guard with built-in dust extraction coming down the length of the full tube, and the ability to easily adjust it to enclose all blades. So there we have it, guys, the Axminster Trade AT254TS Table Saw. As you can see, far more than just a table saw. So, you know, you got routing, you got rebating, tenoning, cutting grooves, trenches, tenons, as well as just a good, really well built, large capacity table saw. Well, pop into one of our stores to see this machine in action. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.